Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best portable fan for cars that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Zmirne Dual Head USB Fan for Car. The Zmirne F410 Dual Head USB Car Fan is designed to deliver a strong and consistent airflow throughout any vehicle interior. With its upgraded design for the year 2025, it brings an improved brushless motor that ensures stable performance and reduced noise. The fan operates at 5 volts and 10 watts, offering reliable cooling without straining power sources. Its maximum airflow speed reaches 33 feet per second, creating a refreshing breeze for passengers during hot weather. Crafted from durable plastic, this compact device features 2 rotatable heads that allow vertical and horizontal adjustments to circulate air in every corner. The flexible extended arm helps position the fan without interfering with the driver's view. Powered by a standard 5-volt 2-ampere USB connection, it works with car adapters, laptops, portable chargers, and USB hubs. This versatile cooling solution fits well inside sedans, sport utility vehicles, recreational vehicles, and trucks. Beyond automotive use, the fan is also useful at office desks, in bedrooms, libraries, and kitchens. Even though it is designed mainly for summer use inside vehicles, its wide application and convenient power options make it ideal for many indoor and mobile environments. Manufactured by Zmirne, the device maintains a moderate sound level of 40 decibels, offering comfort without excessive noise. This cooling accessory is suitable for those who seek efficient airflow on the go, a reliable airflow source in various situations. It brings comfort wherever needed. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hayousui Dual Head USB Car Fan. The Hayousui Dual Head USB Car Fan is a rear seat cooling solution for hot travel days. This compact electric fan uses 5-blade vortex airflow technology to help deliver consistent breeze throughout the vehicle. Built for quiet operation, its sound level remains under 30 decibels, making it suitable for long drives with children or pets. The fan is equipped with a brushless motor and copper spindle that offers stable performance during continuous use. This car fan supports multiple airflow levels, offering 3 speed modes to adjust cooling based on passenger comfort. The fan base rotates 360 degrees and the head tilts 90 degrees, helping cool both the front and back seating areas. With a 5-volt 2-ampere USB power system, it connects easily to car chargers, laptops, portable batteries, and compatible adapters. It is suitable for most 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles, including trucks, sport utility vehicles, vans, and recreational vehicles. Its secure clip-on mount attaches directly to the backseat headrest, and the arms fold neatly when not in use, helping save space. The extended cord measures over 70 inches in length, offering flexible placement based on USB port location. This fan helps maintain air circulation and freshness inside the vehicle. It supports airflow that helps reduce smoke, moisture, and warm air while also helping remove odors from pets or food. This is a practical option for keeping the vehicle cabin more comfortable and clean for all passengers. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cisbelw Portable Car Cooling Fan. The Cisbelw Portable 3-Head Car Cooling Fan is a compact airflow device built to improve comfort inside vehicles. With a triple-blade layout and corded electric power source, it helps circulate air across wide spaces, making it suitable for multiple passengers. The fan operates using a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, which is common in most cars, vans, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its three-head setup increases airflow to quickly reduce heat during warm days. Each fan head can rotate 360 degrees, allowing flexible direction control based on where cooling is needed. Its movement design makes it easier to reach different seating positions without needing to move the device. The structure is crafted from strong ABS material that is designed to handle regular use, even when driving over rough or uneven roads. Despite the airflow strength, the fan runs with low sound due to silent motor technology. This helps maintain a quiet environment inside the vehicle during long drives or when carrying passengers. Its modern and portable form allows it to sit securely while taking up little space. This cooling device is built for various vehicle types, including sedans, buses, and off-road vehicles. It provides an option for drivers or passengers looking to reduce the effects of hot air while traveling. The setup supports different cooling preferences with dual speed levels, giving control over breeze intensity. With a stable motor and durable body, it fits into both personal and professional travel situations. In our list, the number 4 product name is Koonie Portable Clip-On Car Fan. The Koonie portable fan is built for people who want reliable airflow while on the move. It runs on a rechargeable battery with a power capacity of 10,000 mAh, designed to last for extended periods. This battery-operated fan does not rely on cords, making it a suitable choice for travel, gym workouts, or outdoor use. Its compact shape allows it to fit into different places without taking up too much room. With a structure that combines both clip and table fan design, it can attach to objects like desks, stroller frames, or the side of a treadmill. This makes it a flexible option for keeping cool in different environments. The blue-colored body supports quiet performance with a noise level of 35 decibels, helping maintain a peaceful space even during high-speed use. The fan contains 3 blades measuring 8 inches, built to create a strong breeze with minimal disturbance. It includes a flexible head that rotates in all directions, so airflow can be directed wherever needed. Charging is supported through dual ports, including both micro USB and Type-C, offering quick power restoration through 5-volt 2-ampere connections. It works with power banks, computers, mobile phone adapters, and other USB power sources. This device fits easily into everyday routines, from working at a desk to relaxing in a tent or exercising at the gym. Its ability to handle different speed levels and adjust direction makes it a practical tool for personal cooling in warm spaces. In our list, the number 5 product name is Hayousui USB Car Fan for Backseat. The Hayousui dual-head USB car fan is designed to offer comfort for passengers in the backseat during hot weather. It works using a 5-volt 2-ampere power source, making it compatible with most 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles, including vans, trucks, sport utility vehicles, and recreational vehicles. Its compact size fits neatly between rear seat headrests, allowing easy setup without occupying much space. Each fan head runs independently, giving control over airflow direction and speed. With 3 speed levels and the ability to rotate in all directions, it helps maintain a balanced temperature for babies, pets, and other passengers. The flexible design of the silicone hose ensures airflow reaches every corner of the vehicle cabin. This rear seat fan also includes built-in lights with adjustable brightness, helping improve visibility at night. It is useful not only for cooling, but also for circulating air and reducing interior heat, moisture buildup, or dust. Odors from pets or smoke can be minimized with continued use, contributing to a cleaner environment inside the vehicle. The motor uses pure copper for durability and is paired with a noise control system that keeps sound levels below 30 decibels. That makes it suitable for resting or quiet travel situations. Made to improve rear seat conditions, this cooling tool supports a modern lifestyle for families, travelers, or drivers who want extra comfort. Its lightweight build and strong airflow performance make it an efficient addition to any vehicle's interior setup. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.